This video is to show you how to process repairs in iClarity. You need to make sure that your system is set up to process repairs. In the maintenance module, get to adjustment reasons. You need to set up a discount reason for frame front with an amount at 0 and a date that's far into the future. With the frame type selected, click Add. You can also do this for right side only, left side only, frame part only and frame repair. You can also set up a frame product called frame repair. You can add multiple frame repair products depending on the services you offer, for example a solder repair or a titanium solder repair. Processing of private frame part replacements. In the dispense module, select the frame that the patient needs a replacement part for. Navigate to the Finishes and Totals tab. In the Frame Adjustment Reason, select the discount description from the drop-down list for the frame adjustment. Type in the amount that the patient will be charged. You can now confirm the dispense and go to the till as normal. How to process a frame part replacement with an NHS voucher. Select the frame in the dispense module that the patient needs a replacement part for. Select the voucher type from the drop-down list. Then navigate to the Finishes and Totals tab. Select the applicable adjustment reason for the frame repair. Type in the price of the cost of the frame replacement. If the amount exceeds the voucher value, the amount the patient must pay will be calculated. If the repair will be covered completely by the voucher, type the amount of the voucher into the adjustment total. This will reduce the amount for the patient to pay to 0. If you were repairing a frame rather than replacing a part, in the dispensing form, choose Frame button and the repair product. In the description, add details of the frame model for reference. If the patient is not going to be charged the amount shown, navigate to the Finishes and Totals tab. Select the Frame Repair Adjustment Reason. Enter the amount that the patient will be paying.